Forget everything you thought you knew about tablets. If you're currently eyeing a high-end laptop or the latest iPad Pro, you need to pause that order immediately. Today, we are diving into the definitive leak of the decade. This isn't just another incremental update, it's a total industry shift. We are talking about the Samsung Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra, a device that is officially being built to replace the laptop once and for all. For the first time, we have authentic, confirmed leaks regarding a titanium Grade 5 chassis, a staggering 24GB RAM configuration, and the long-awaited revolution of the completely notchless display. If you are a creator, a professional, or someone who demands the absolute peak of mobile technology, this is the hardware you have been waiting for. We're breaking down the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 benchmarks, the 80-watt ultra-fast charging, and a display so bright it'll make your current desktop monitor look like a relic from the past. Stay through this entire breakdown, because we've also secured the leaked pricing and the official release window that is already sending shockwaves through the tech world. Samsung is no longer playing it safe. They are coming for the crown, and the Tab S12 Ultra is their ultimate weapon. For years, the one thing holding the Ultra series back from true aesthetic perfection was that small, persistent notch housing the dual front cameras. The wait is over. The Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra is officially introducing Under-Display Camera 2.0. This isn't the blurry, experimental tech we saw in previous years. We are looking at a seamless, 14.8-inch slab of uninterrupted glass. The 12-megapixel ultra-wide front sensor is now completely invisible to the naked eye, allowing for a 16:10 aspect ratio experience that is pure, edge-to-edge screen. Prepare your eyes for the panel technology. Samsung is implementing a 3000 nit tandem OLED panel. This is the same technology that changed the game for high-end HDR displays, now optimized for a massive tablet form factor. Whether you're color grading 4K footage in direct sunlight or watching a cinematic masterpiece in a pitch-black room, the contrast ratios and peak brightness here are unrivaled. It features a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate that can scale all the way down to a single Hz to save battery, making every scroll feel like silk and every digital brush stroke feel instantaneous. The build quality is where things get truly premium. Moving away from traditional aluminum, Samsung is taking a massive leap with aerospace grade 5 titanium. This isn't just for show. Titanium provides a superior strength-to-weight ratio, meaning the Tab S12 Ultra will be thinner and lighter than its predecessor, despite its massive physical footprint. It feels like a piece of high-end jewelry, but it's tough enough to survive the rigors of a professional commute. It's also carrying an IP69 rating, the highest level of dust and water resistance ever seen on a tablet. You could literally work in a dust storm or by the pool without a single worry about the internals. Under the hood, this is where the Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra truly separates itself from mobile devices and enters the workstation category. It is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2, a chip designed specifically to handle the most demanding AI tasks and heavy multitasking. But the real headline is the 24GB RAM variant. In a world where many premium laptops still ship with 8 or 16GB, Samsung is giving you 24GB of LPDDR5X memory. This is the neural DeX era. When you dock this tablet or trigger DeX mode, it doesn't just feel like a tablet pretending to be a PC, it effectively is a PC. You can have dozens of browser tabs, a 4K video editor, and a 3D rendering app open simultaneously without the system even breaking a sweat. To fuel this beast, Samsung has finally addressed the charging speed. The S12 Ultra features a massive 11,800 mAh battery, which is impressive on its own. But the game changer is the move to 80-watt ultra-fast charging. For years, Samsung stayed safe at 45 watts, but the 2026 flagship is finally catching up to the global competition. You'll be able to go from 0 to 50% in under 30 minutes, which is vital for a screen of this size and power draw. Productivity is seeing its biggest upgrade in 3 generations with the S Pen Pro 3. It now features advanced haptic feedback. When you draw on the screen, the pen tip provides subtle vibrations to mimic the feeling of pencil and paper, charcoal on canvas, or even a fountain pen on parchment. It feels organic and tactile. Combined with the new Galaxy AI Creative Suite, the tablet can now take your rough sketches and turn them into polished 3D assets or high-resolution digital art in real time, using the dedicated onboard NPU. For the photographers and video callers, the rear camera housing has been refined into a sleek, minimalist design. We're looking at a 13-megapixel main sensor paired with an 8-megapixel ultra-wide. While tablet cameras are rarely the primary tool for photography, these are optimized for professional document scanning and high-fidelity augmented reality applications. The real magic happens with the dual 12-megapixel front cameras that support 4K 60 frames per second video calling with autoframing 3.0, ensuring you stay centered and crystal clear during your professional sessions, even if you're moving around the room. Connectivity is also seeing a massive leap forward. The Tab S12 Ultra will be among the first devices to support Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 6.0, ensuring that your connection to the cloud and your peripherals is faster and more stable than ever. For those on the go, the 5G model supports both sub-6 and mmWave, giving you fiber-like speeds in the palm of your hand. This is critical for the new era of cloud computing and remote collaboration. Now, we have to talk about the investment. Premium tech comes at a premium price. In the US, the base model is expected to start at $1,299, while the 24GB RAM and 2TB storage variant could push closer to $1,899. In the UK and other premium markets, expect a similar price structure. It's an investment, certainly. But when you consider that this replaces your laptop, your drawing tablet, and your high-end media center, the value proposition is incredibly strong. The official unveiling is expected at the Galaxy Unpacked event in late summer 2026, likely around late August or early September, with units hitting shelves globally within 2 weeks of the announcement. This aligns with Samsung's historical release cycles, but the sheer volume of high-quality leaks we're seeing now suggests they are already in mass production and ready to dominate the market. This tablet represents the pinnacle of what's possible in 2026. It's a bold statement from Samsung that they are ready to be the industry standard. With titanium, 24GB of RAM, and that stunning, uninterrupted display, they have achieved something truly special. If you found this deep dive into the future of hardware valuable, make sure to show your support. We want to hear your thoughts on this massive shift in the tablet market. Is 24GB of RAM the new standard you've been waiting for, or is it more than you'll ever need? Does the removal of the notch finally make this the perfect media device for you? The conversation continues in the comments, and we make it a priority to engage with your feedback. This has been a complete look at the upcoming giant of the tech world. Stay tuned for more authentic updates on the latest hardware and software shifts. We'll be here to break down every benchmark and every leak as they happen. Thank you for spending your time with us today. We appreciate your support and your passion for the future of technology. We will see you in the very next update. Keep looking forward.